thou art, how great thou art. And then sings my soul.
Kore peke mau ho whangate ngai whatap koto pēu to tau whake atu o mei he whaleni. Ka tamo ke whakakanga tonu atu me loki konferenisi o e paslika o atumi o patua i e nukalofa. Ai o wau pe mo e polokalama ma kehe. Mala e kehe. Ka wai ai teke i e langa whakalakalaka pe mo e whetokoni aki i ngahi tapa kotoa pē. Pea kunau ilonga ai i ngai whainga mali ngā ue o kunau mau pe inasi ai. I kai ngata i he whaiwhatongia ma ngā ue a kinau tolu i Tonga Ladies Association i he pure anga. Koe ngahi kautaha wha businessi. Ngai kautaha i kai whapure anga, ngai kautaha tau taha. Pea pehe whoki ki he mā te aki. I he whahinga mea e malawa ki tokoni ai ki angai whanonga. O ta tawa i pē i tō ngāni pē ke ngai whanua koia i tō pure anga. Pea koe tō taha koe ni a pori ka lepo kefu. Ko tui pē ko tō lahi aki mō tōlu. Ko mō lau ilo. O whanongo i he ngahi o ngongo i he leti o. Ka uma a ai ngahi whamatala ke. O ta tau i tō ngāni pē he whoki ki tō pure anga. Pē he ki he toko lahi ko e ngahi maheni. Tō ke heange ngahi whamiri. Ka ko tō tau. Pane ongo kua more ai mo ui a polika lepo ke fu. Okwa ampea e kautaha ki toka ngai kina mo lelei ngai whamiri. Pe ke kautaha kolo skula tonga. Kautaha Tonga Ladies Association. Ngai waa ngā ue ke pei e to whaki o ngongo mo whamatala. Kawai aki mautolo i e ta whaki koia. Koe whiawhio e au ni koia i peho no polokalama. Pea koe polokalama koia. Ka e te whitoia i ngahi manatu merie. O ko Pataloni e kautaha Tonga Ladies Association. Ai tahine ko eiki salote lupe pau o tuita. Taione. Pea iai be moho no kaume mipa. I e poate pure. Amanaki ke kamata ai polokalama i ngahi momenitsi i meiheni. Pea kai ke ngata ai ka e mea heni ai whawhalanglangi. A eiki whatawhehi o lapaha tuita. Filipe ko e whawhalanglangia. I e polokalama makehe o e whiawhio e ahoni. Pea oku amanaki ke mea heni. Pea mo eiki kātnari. Ka koe eiki e pikopoia o e siasi katolika. A kātinari patita paini mafi. Pea e heni mo knau tolo koe kau whafofonga. Me ngahi funga waka keke, pe koe ngahi siasi i tongani. Pe ka te knau tolu, koe kau talawhi kau lahi nai. Koe ngahi pure anga muri i tongani. Koe kau taki me ngahi community, mo ngahi pot ngawe ai pure anga. Pe ke ngahi kau taki ke mo ngahi businessi. Ko lawe ia tu ko toko lahi, ai loki konferenisi ko ia. I he paslika, i he howani. I he teu o e polokalama ma ke koe ni ka e mei ke tuku ai toka ngā. Ke ngahi talanoa me rie, ka koe ngahi manatu me rie ia ki he to'o whatongia mo polika lepo kefu. Hange koe e mea ko lawe ki ai. Neongo koe hala. O kai ke tau wha malawa ke rea pe talanoa. Ka o kunofo ai toka ngā ia. E ngahi ngāwe aonga kotoa pe. Nai whakahoko e polika lepo. Lolotonga. Ene inasi i he mo ui. Kana e ngāwe aonga aki mo ngāwe lelei aki. Ai tale niti Whaki e otua ke a te ia i ngahi ta whaaki kotoa pe. Ko manatu o merie ke tō tahani. Ngahi tau si i ko mariwa tō ne whaia e wholau ke vai whanua hapai. O lava i hono whoto o koia o e ki waa o e retio e whaema walfito poine ni ma. E vai whanua hapai. Pako konga i he ngahi ngā uena e whatongia ke whakahoko ai. Koe pau ke whai e wholau ki mo unga one me i pangai. O mauwhinga o e aki ai. Pea mo e koloskula. Pe ke kautaha ki toka kina mo i lele ngai whamiri. Pea ko porikare poeni. Ko ia e whakatau kei koe ke whai e whanonga i e proklama koe ni ki mo unga one. Pea lava atua mo i toko taha ngā ue pe ko Marian Kupu. Pea ko mawhiawhia whuki he teo e wholau ka hange o ku alo tā maki ai aho koe ni. Pa ko whea mau tarana te whuki ma wholau maka toi motu ko ngata pea pangai. Pa koe mau rotonga e mau whiawhia koe ai ke whai a lupe mai a porikare poia. E rina, ko mo si aluki mo unga one. Ko tang ikai, ko aini ke tau toki o ke ma lava atu o sio i mo unga one te ke wha aluki ai. Tamai lewa e porikare po. Ko me ai ko tala noa atu ai. He ko kehea mo unga one ia. Ka koe ku whakakaukau whewhe eni. Te ka lava pe o whainohino mai ka au ho mo tepi hiki. Ke u alo pe au ia mo e tepi hiki. O hiki mai e me ahe ko mo unga one ia o ku hange ia koe wheitu o ku pau ke lau pe au ia pe a tau hopo atu ki he mata whanga pa tau toki alo ai ki loto whanua. Ka koe ku wakai atu kai te uilo ia ko uilo pe au kai ke mo ilo e moe alu ki mo unga one. Ko talange pori. Leo ko tu e taimiri umawhi alma ki mo unga one. Ka te mawhalala mau ko whakamatala mo whare i. Le whi mea hoko. Ai ke whainohino te anga hono hiki o e polokalama koe kona ai ke tau oko o whahoko. Ke whainohino te anga ko o no ngau ake ai te pi. Ko inga ka ke alu ko ia. Leo na mawhuwhi alu maua ki mo unga one. Kana mawhalala ke mea koe nei whakamatala mai koe e porikare po. Pama whiawhia, pama whawhetai, pama whakamalo ai. Ko hinga koe ne tokanga mai. I he ene ilo loto e ia a mo unga one mo i whainga taa e alu ki ai. E lava pea e hani i kona os alu ki ai. Mahalo pa wakai mai pea pōria. Koe anga koe e mata tu. E toi whakahela ia ki ai hano whakakaukau i pe anga whewhe ai au koe ki mo unga one. Ko ia na e ngata e mau whelongo aki koe i pangai. Pea i ko mafoki mai maua ia ki tongata puni. Kana e toki foki mai pe a pōri ia pe a moi te pi. Pako ne hao pe koe ki tongata puni. Kumi mai lewe ke le teo e whaima walfit poni ma. O mai tala mai taha ke ange pe ko mao. Masi e mau whiawhia. Taha ke mao lele e polokalama. Pe a toki whakamafola lewa. O pehea e manatu merie ia pe a moi whakakaukau ke mo ui e tō taha koe ni. Pe hangena e ongo mai ko ia e mole ne mo ui ne ongo koe hala whanonga whainga taa. Ka la te nofo pa te whakaukau pa te pehe. E anga whewhe ha whai ha mea ki ha taha. Ulunganga lelei pe ulunganga tokon. Pa nofo e whakaukau a e hala whanonga u tau fōwai. Ka kua tokolaha ni ihi. Koe whai whatongia lelei. Oski a velenga motokoni e whanua. Ka hange ko ia ko e whalotolahi mau inga ka te tau tolu. Oku ia e taimi mono mea. Wa e taimi te tau whakatahai, wa e taimi te tau mawai. Wa e taimi te tau whiawhia, wa e taimi te tau tangi. O kai me taimi o tau ilo loto ai e tawhaaki ko e me taimi o kai pēha tau ilo a tau tolu. Pako i whiawhia au ni e tokolahi ani ihe. Tēnau tala noa i a ngahi manat me rie. Ke tō taha koe ni. Ko tō taha ko tau pēna ne whetau laki. Pea kone maheni pea mo porikare po kefu. Nia ngau koe ke tau sio ke ngahi loto mo anga ngai whakau kau. Ka ko kafo whakalongolongo pe ai mo ui. E manatu ofa ke kupu o more. Me he hawhanga, me he kolo, me he ngawe anga. Me ngai kau tato koni ke kakai iyo. Me he loto whare o ha whamiri. Ka ko more ai ai kupu o whaanga. Kai ke whamalawa ki tauhanga o tala noa mo tānaki. Ai ngahi tala noa me lie ke mo ui koe ni. Ka pebe mo knau tolu ka kua nau mo ato. Mea bek mahino ka tek tau tolu o kei tuku mai ai taime. Ki e whawhenga i. Pea mo tau una loto be. Ki e ngahi tu unga. Nei whai ai e whenga e ake mo e whai whatongia. Mo tau whawhetai be ki e otua. One ave ai taha kai toi ai taha. Kai kei malo ia ai be. Ai huafa maa oni o sihova. Polokalama e ahoni kuas whai be hono whukotuutu. O kia e loto kamata bea o ko whukotuutu bea e polokalama koe ni. E kinau tolu i he Tonga Ladies Association. Ia i mohono kaurea. Pea wai mohono ngahi hiva e whakahoko. Pea wai bea moi o wau o e tutu o te elango. Ka koe manatu o whaia. Kia polikale po kefu. Na iloa aki pe hono ui. Ai poli. E toa tāko toa pe na ane. Pea ngainga, pe maheni. Pea moi mo ui. Ai toko taha koe ni. Tau tānoa me rie pe mo manatu o wha ki ai. Koe toko taha na ane foto mari mari. Ia whahenga ngā ue pe. Pea ngena e sai ia e taha kotoa pe ia. Ia taimi o ko ngā ue a e mopori. He na ane mei whakahoko pe ia ngai whatongia kotoa. Ia wheitu o pe koha. Kautaha. O ka pāo ko wahe mai ki tau tolu ka ngai whatongia. Ka ku ilonga pe ane veke whai. Ai ngahi whatongia koia. Ia i pe me ngahi kautaha. Whengai aki te nau whai ai ngahi talanoa merie. O kawai e kautaha koloskula ko ia atonga. Pe ke kautaha ngongo atonga. Kai uma a foki ai kautaha tapua ki meilangi. Ko e kautaha, ko e taki lerei. Ia i pia moe kautaha. Ko e ngahi whau fo o nai. O ki ai pia moe lau mohore ngahi popoa ki tala monu. Mei he ngalu ope. Aki nau tolo kui toa pure anga ka koe ngahi kupo whengai aki. Mo ngahi maheni mo whamiri. Ia e manatu merie mei e senta WCCC. Ai ka kai whiwhine pe mo whanau. Pe he foki ki he ngai manatu merie mei he wa a koe o UNFPA. Whengai aki whataha pe mo e tōtahan. Kai o maa foki ai manat merie. Mei he ampastoa koia hoi Unioni ai Europei tongani. Moi ngahi kautaha kehe. Ka ko whai ai whetakani ma moknau tolo. Pea iai moi ngahi hiva pe. E whakahoko aki. Lolotonga ai polokalama koia o e whiawhio e ahoni. Ngai momeleti mei heni e kamatai e polokalama ka ko atua e whamalo. Pea ko e whamalo ko e ni o ko o ato ko whangatonu e re te o e whaema walwhito o poine ni ma. Kai o maafoki ai live stream ai Broadcom FM Broadcasting i he amanaki o ko tau kau whakataha mo mo tolu. I toa pure anga pe ko ngai tuko i motu. Pea nā moto ngani pe mo mamata tonu mai ke mea koe o whahoko i loki konferenisi i Pasilika. Hok whai atu me ai whamawhalanga tono koe ni. Kai kehe koe live stream ka pau pe i ai ha tuunga. Hange o ko i ai ha paparema ka koe uhinga whako e interneti. Ka koe ni o ko mo lava pe o mea mai. Koe uhinga whoki, koe ahoni. aho uha lahi e nia I tongani ka te mo tolu ko e to poreanga ko e aho uha lahi ka ko e ni o ki afua mai e taimin ko e tāpua ki pe ia ma e fonuani ko e proklama ko e ni e taim tatau e ai pe mo o au loto whakamawai e whakahoko ia e aho tokonaki e to e ia e pe whainga maali ke tau kau whakataha o I kai ngata I reti o kai uma afoki ai live stream lolotonga ni o ko kei holo mai pe a ke nau tolu ko ngai kupu whengai aki tau te fito ke ngahi kautaha I kai whakapure anga he ko e mala eia be ko e lia nei lai taha e tō whatongia ko ki ai a pori pea I kai ke ngata ai o ki ai pe mai ngahi pine ai ka ngahi pine ko ni ko o si I ai taha o pori o ku tuwha mai ke mautui pea o ku iai pe mo e te lango ko tuwha mai ko hi e iai e taimi o e tutu te lango ka ko e manatu ofa pe ia ki a pori ko e ahonia pa mayanga ko ia o e tuunga o e polokalama pea kalava ai polokalama ko e ni te tau foki ai ki he studio ko ia ai reitio e whaema walfit poi ni ma hoko atuai pia mo toenga ko ia o ngahi polokalama ko lave ia tu ko eiki katinari eni eiki e pikopo ko ia o tonga mo niue katinari mafi ko ne me aheni pea ko e taritari pe ki he whawhi whalanglangi ko ne mau maari e pe ko ne kamata ia ai polokalama o e fiafi o e ahoni. O ki ai e whanau tō topo, o ki ai mok nau tōlu ko e kau whewhine, nau taki I ngahi wa ngā ue, ma ngahi kautaha, e kai whapure anga, pe ko ngahi wa ngā ue e tautaha, whengai aki mo e kautaha kolo skula ko ia tonga. Kok mō tōlu ko ia o ko whalawa tu ki teo whaiva, te mō ilo a pori. O ku iai mo e kau ngāwe ko ia kolo skula, tau te fito pe ko e tuu ma teo pe. O ka pāo e fie mao, tau te fito halavea pe ko ha kafo, ka o ku iai a kinau tolu e kau taha kolo skula ke whai ai tokoni. Kei whai ai pe whoke whamalo, hange koe neu lawe kia kamata anga koe e whakahoa a, ki he kau taha tokanga kina mo ulele e whaamiri koe a tonga, pe ko Tonga Family Health, whamalo kia kefi mafi, mo kinau tolu a kau whai whatongia koe o ko whahoka te polokalama koe ni, mga tuunga ia, I he nau tokoni mai ke mau whengai aki, ke he ke lava hono whahoko atu I he leti o kai uma a foki ai live stream ke mo mea mai pe ki ai. Koe ahoni, koe aho tāpua ki lahi nia o tonga ai ahon. Ahoni nai huwhia hene a whio ta matui ko tupo ono ai whalearea o tonga. Pea koe aho koe ni, koe aho uha lahi mo oni ka koe tāpua ki nai tō ke whungai whonua. Pea koe ni, koe aho ta tau ai pe en, na e pau ke malolo, ai ngā hia ko anga ia I tongani, koe uhia pe foki koe alo tāmaki mo e uha. Pea koe aho e ni ia, e fiafini, o afua lelei, wha ofa au pito e ea. Pea koe ni o whahoko atuai, mo e polokalama makehe ia o e houani. Na iai foki ai ngahi whatongia, pea mo ngahi kaweinga ke pe na e whanonga mai mo Tonga Ladies Association. Pea koe ngahi kaweinga ta tau pe o kei whai hono muyaki, mo tuyaki, I ngahi ngāwe koe ni. Pea ka pau te tau wakawakai whakalelei, koe toko lahi o kau me mi pa, ko nau whakotu upe mo whakalere e nau ngahi businessi pe anau tol, I he malae o tui, I he malae o teu ha whahinga kātoanga o whakahoko I tongani. I he malae ko ia hono whakahoko ha ngahi whao fo'o i he ilo tau pehe koe ngahi teunga. Tō kehe ange ngahi teunga tau o lunga. Ka koe ngahi teunga ki ha whaahinga whaari ari. Oku nau tai mu ai. Ka uma a foki. Moe ngahi koloa kehe ange kono ngahi e tau koloa whakatonga. Ke whahoko ake a ngahi teu. Koe whakaofo ofa e nā wala ni mai. Pena e tokoni lahi au pito. A Polika Lepo. Ki e whenga e aki mo ke nau tolu i e poa te pūre koia e Tonga Ladies Association. Ke kumi hangahi tokoni pe ko hangahi lelei o tatau i tongani mo tō pure anga. Ke si lava aki a hono whakapaanga o e ngahi ngā ue koeni. Aki nau tolu koeni i Tonga Ladies Association pe a takta whahoko ai pe e nau whanki ngā ue takitaha. Ka koe whatongia mahu inga nai whakahoko e tōtani. Pea kok mō tōlu koe au mō whamanako ke whanongo ke le teo e whaema wal fit point ni ma. Oku mō whanongo mai pe mō tōlu whahoko ato e ngahi whelafo aki mō tari whehui. Ko ia ko pōri eni o ko tautala noa koe ki ai. Ko Polika Lepo me i la paha. Kai ke ngatai koe toko taha ni na mau whenga e aki i whakataha. Hange ko ia tau te whito kua ha ni ihi i he whale mahaki vai o la o kuna u whie mao ha toto. Ko hi ko ngai whainga taha ia pe pau ai ke whai ha kore pe ko ha kumi toto. Koe toko taha koe ni o wha whito taki mai ke reti o ne whakarea mai. Ka taki mua kai whanongonongo atu. Whanongonongo atu ko whie mao ai toto ke whale mahaki vai o la. O ke ai toko taha kune whainga taha ia e whie mao ai toto. Toa e ke mono whanongonongo atu. Taim si i pepe tā mai a pōri malo au pito koeni. Kua toko lahi ni ihi kua nau tā mai. Ke na wō o whoaki ai toto. Ko ngāpe ko he lavat whale mahaki o whai huhu toto. Ko ngāpe ke si mo uiaiha ni ihi. Pea ko tui ko toko lahi o ko mō tolu, mō manatu me ria e pe, ke mea koni ko tala noa tu, te mō manatu ai. Koe ngā uena si whai koe e pōri. Ko ene kumi, hatokoni, o tatau ai pe koe tokoni whapaanga, ki a whanki porokalama ke whahoko, pe koe ne whama ala tu me reti o, ha whahinga ka veinga, o whai on toka ngai kina, he mo ulelea ngai whamiri, pe ko ene whainga ke mau hatoto, tau te whito ka te nau tolo ko whainga tā ia. Ko taim lahi koe tānoa a pōri, o whamai mua whanongonongo atu, ai kumi toto koe ni ihi e nia, o ko nau tala mai, ko hinga koe nau hao mei uta, koe toi fuoloa ia, ha whainga mai ko nau tolo koe mei uta, tau te whito, heu tō lahi pio tau ngai whamiri, kau tala mai foki e whale maha ki ia, whema o toto kalasi whe, mo kalasi whe, o kai ke mao o tau ngai whamiri. Pa koe uma ngā uere vai ia, mo tokoni mo ofa, koe kau tākolo skula ia koe atonga, mga iwa a ngā ue pehe ni. Koe ai o tau whawhetai mo whamalo, ko wakai atu, koe ni o ku lava mai a ke nau tolu, koe kau whafofonga muri i tongani, ko wakai atu, koe talwhakau lahien, ai pune anga Britania ki tongani, kune lava mai, ki heni mo kau whafofonga, o ngahi office talwhakau lahi, o kunau i heni mo kinau tolu, o smau pe mo e kau hiwa, pia ko fono au pito ai loki konferenisi ia e taimin, ko mo tolu mo mawhanga maari e ki live stream, te mo wakai hanga tono mai pe, ki loki konferenisi ko eni i he pasilika, pia ko e taritari pe eni, kai hoko pe kamata ai polokalama, hangi ko eni ulawe ki ai ane nai ange kamata ki pe ai lotu, pia hoko atu ai pe i hono whakahoko mai me MC o e polokalama ai toenga o ngahi polokalama koe i he ahoni. Pea ko wakai atu o ku lava mai ma ku nau tolu i he ofisi ko ia o e talwhakaulahi ai preanga no sila ki tongani pe aku heni mo kau fayako pe ai kai ke ngata i koe ni ihi koe kau me mipa o ngahi fayanga loto pe koe ngahi siasi o kunau fai fatongia kana e faya e whenga aki wa ofi pe amo boring o whabe o ko wongo atu ai whahoha o ko whai me loki konferenisi koia o e pasilika me loto nuku alofa kia te kumautolu kotoa pe i tua pule anga kai o maa foki aki mautolu me toke lau i e polokalama make koe ni ko whatonga ai etu o ko mea heni pia mo i talwha kaulai koia a Australia ki tonga ni o kunau i heni talwha kaulai a Australia ko New Zealand ko Britania pia ko whatonga nga i atu o ki ai pia mo ngahi whae pia kunau lava mai ki heni pia ko e whawhalanglang e polokalama koe ni ko e ki whatawhehi o la paha tuita Filipe ka kone mea mai pea ko e hoko atu ai pe ia toi ngai tau programa loto ngā whae whawhiloa ki ai a kinau tolu me ngahi ofisia ka o whafofonga mori ko ia i o tau whonuani lolotonga ai amlaki ke kamata o ko vanavanai ki pe ai hiva iai pe ngā hiva ko whaihono whiriwhiri ke hoa mo tau pe mo e kaweinga mo e tau mua o e polokalama ma kehe i he whiawhio e ahoni ka o ki kai ngata pe ia i e loki konferenisi o pasilika ka o ko halatu ua tu ka te mautolu pia ko Heleni TV ko e whawafonga ia o Unionia Europe i Tongani ko ia ai MC i e polokalama ko ia o e fiafi o e ahoni i heni pia mok nau tolu me ngahi ba amiti a kehe to whakiongo mo whamatala ai ngahi ata to whakea to moha ngahi ongongo ko hinga pe ke tau inasi kotoa pe ai ki whanua koe ni a tonga ko ki whanua si ka ku whakalahi a ki pe e tau lotu mo e tau ofa ko e tau koloa mahu i ngā pe ia ai koloa he ikai ke more ia pe ikai ke osi ia ka koe koloa ia o ku tolonga pe o ku tolonga ai whio whaaki i e otua. O tatau ai pe i e aho o e afua mo e aho o e alotamaki. Tatau ai pe i e whainga maali e mo e whainga taa. Kai whawhetai pe ki he otua. Ko e whanonga mai ko ia a tonga ko tulava pe ki tau ilo me ngai tau ko tau situ a me ai. Pe aku alu pe ai whakalakalaka i ngai ta whaaki ke kehe. Pakulava pe ke te wakai ai whakalakalaka i langa ngā ue i ngahi ta whaaki kotoa pe o e mo'ui. Pakuwhai ai pe tau whakamalo me tau whawhetai hek mahino ki a te tau tolu. Neo ngai pe pe koe haho tau whakangata ka i he tokoni mai e otua ok malawa noa ke tau inasi i ngahi ta puaki i ngahi lelei koe o tua toko tāpe kune toka ngai kina a tonga i e kohiri ki e lolo tongani kai uma a foki a e kahau. Polo kalama make mo le teo e whaema walfito paine ni ma ka taha whamafula lea Broadcom Broadcasting o i kai ngata i he le tio kai tatau foki mo i live stream i e pesi Facebooka ai Broadcom FM Broadcasting.
On thy side, bear
patience, ai whakanofo ke
before
mau mari e kai kamata ai polokalama moi mau amanaki pe o kuau taki atu ke tapa ko toa be o e otu tō ngani. Pea kawai mo ki mautolu koena i tua pule anga. Ka kutau vahe tatau pe i ngai whainga mahali e o whakafou i e tofaki o e whakamatala. E ai be ai taimi, hange koe ngahi polokalama, whakamawai, pea mo e pekia. Ka koha ki i taimi pe eni ko whakatutu uai e Tonga Ladies Association, pe he ke tokoni mai ai kautaha ke no tokanga kina mo lelea ngai whamiri, ke whakahoko mo whakaatuai ai polokalama ma kehe koia o e ahoni ke tau inasi kotoa pe ai. Koe ni kamata e polokalama pea ko kamata aki pe ahono tutu o e te lango. I mua ko o si iai pe ai te lango whakatu o pe ia te pile pea koe ni o ko whai e tokoni ki ai ke tutu ai te lango. I he te pile tatau pe o ki ai ai tā o ko asi ai a Polikalepo kefu pea kui ai pe pea mo ngahi pōpoaki ofa i he konga me he wholofola pea mo e hangeha pōpoaki i whia kau ngā mamahi ka koe manatu ofa mo e manatu loto ia. Polokalama ka ku te wakai atu ki he fofonga o e taha kotoa whakalongolongo pe monofoloto pe e whakaukau ai toko taha koe ni. Koe mea kōku whakawhiawhia ai koe hao whakataha e ngai kupu whengawe aki ke whai ai polokalama o e whiawhia e ao ni ka koe manatu merie. Pea te tau whanongo lewa i e whiawhia e ao ni ke ngahi tala noa ka tene auri liki mai i ngahi a usia whawhoi tui tui. Koe ha ai tu unga o e whengai aki. Pea hoko pe ngai tala loto mo ui o e whiawhi ao ni koa mea ia. Kene whakaivia mo la ngaki e tau whanonga pau tolo aki e whengai aki waofi mo whengai aki i whiofo o whani. Neongo ku tō tau ai toko taha koe ni. Ka ito iai pe makau Polikalepo kefu i e ka o pena whakahoko le lei e ngahi whatongia le lei ka kua tuku whalala aki kia te knau tolu i e malae o e tau tupu i e ngahi ta whaaki ko tawa pe ka koe amalaki e ni ke hoko atu e tau kamata MC e leni TV ai whalwhelongo aki.
The Honourable Frederica Lupeoluiva Whatawhihio Lapaha, His Excellency Adrian Morrison, High Commissioner for Australia, Her Excellency Lucy Choice, British High Commissioner, Your Eminence Lord Cardinal Murphy, Lady Catherine Whitten, Peter Lund, the Deputy High Commissioner for New Zealand, friends and families of Poli, ladies and gentlemen. We shall commence now the candlelight vigil program in loving memory of Mr. Polikalepo Kefu, a colleague, a friend, an activist, an advocate, one of us. We will start with an opening prayer that will be conducted by Kolianita Taweli, who is the chairperson of Talapaha Youth Council, of which Poli was a treasurer.
Kai ke polokalama kamata ki ai lotu. Hange koko whahoko atu.
are readings from the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 3, verses 1 to 11. There is an appointed time for everything, and a time for every affair under the heavens. A time to be born, and a time to die. A time to plant, and a time to uproot the plant. A time to kill, and a time to heal. A time to tear down, and a time to build. A time to weep, and a time to laugh. A time to mourn, and a time to dance. A time to scatter stones, and a time to gather them. A time to embrace, and a time to be far from the embraces. A time to seek, and a time to lose. A time to keep, and a time to cast away. A time to rent, and a time to sow. A time to be silent, and a time to speak. A time to love, and a time to hate. A time of war, and a time of peace. What advantage has the worker from toil? I have considered the task which God has appointed for us to be busied about. He has made everything appropriate to its time and has put the timeless into our hearts without our ever discovering, from beginning to end, the work which God has done. The word of the Lord. Ke tau lotu, I e wafa ta mai, pe moe alo, moe lau mali e ma oni oni. E ta mai honoi ka iea, hoa ngā e ni whakaofo. Kilu ai ngutu o kulea, ke ni tala e langi langi pe moe mafi o e afiona. Monue ka koha monu, e tau mauha eiki o ku ofa. O ku ne kau I he tau lotu, pe ku ne kau he tau ngahi mea hono kotoa. E o tua mafi, ai afiona koe tokai maananga, ko koe aho mau tauhi, moho mau whakalaloa, pe koe afiona ai pe, o ku tuu I he aho o ia whaa, pe moelingi lolo, ai o seni hou tuu, o mau fulaua. Iyo, na moe taimi o tongia e mau moui he whaingata a, whakawhetai, o ku ke tuu ke whai aho mau whakanaa. A whio mai eiki, ki he lo nuku aho o kakai I he whale tapuni, ke whai ai lotu mo e whakawhetai, I he ui ma oni, ko ke whai ma ai foha ko eni, ko e toko ua, ko e tuonga ani, ko eni ko si ipoli kalepo mo e ngā ngongo kefu. Ko mea henia eiki, whatawhehi o la paha tuita Filipe, me he whale o tupou, ko e kau ngā fua whatongia ma ai whonua. Mea heni mo eiki kātinali soane patita kātinali mafi, ko e uhi pe, ko e sipi o ene tākanga. Ko e kau ngā mateaki, he hako tupu o siasi mo e whonua. Mea mai mo e kau tala whikau lahi, Me kau whafofonga o ngahi kau taha pe me muli, mo e whakaloto whonua, le whai ai tolu hama, he whatongia, me si itamai o eikini. Io, ai ngahi maheni, mo kau ngā whanonga i he tui. I kai halea e mo ua he lotu o ku whai atuni, ka ko e mau whakamalo, i he whakakoloa, i he tapa kotoa pē na e whai whatongi ai si o mau toko tahani, pe na mau nas kotoa ai. Ke ke meesi maana i ho whai manawa o wha, pe ake a o sia, ai tāpuaki ma ai ka wikuna. Ha ele mai lau maali e ma oni, o tataki mo whakakato ai lotu, mo e hu o ku whai atuni. Malia ko e mau whae, nā ke tengi hia ho alo i he lalo kolosi, lolotonga a ene tau lo fuu hono mamahi. Mana tuange si lau malie o porikalepo moe ngā ngongo kefu ho hufaki. Tamai o tua, ko eni ai ho moe lotu o mau whai, ke a feitau lalo ai a fiona o tali mua. O mau momo yatu e mau lotuni, o hufanga i o alo ko se Jesu Kristo, ko mau whakamo ui, mo mau whakalaloa. Amen. I wawhai tamai, mo alo, mo lau mali e maoni oni. Amen.
Whamalolahi ki he Sea Wailapaha Youth Council, and I would like to call upon the Deputy Chairperson of President of the TLA, Agape Tuinukuafe, to welcome everybody for this vigil.
Tulou, pe moe whale o tupou, mo ha moe ofo. Tulou watu ki he kauno pere, pe moe ho eiki o tonga. Tulou watu ki he eiki pale mia, pe moe kau minista a ho tau ki fonuani. Tulou watu ki he kere tapuni, o tau whakataha mai ki ai i he fiafko eni. Whakatapu atu heni ki he tae haa mai, o kuni awhio i ho tau loto ngani. Whakatapu atu heni ki tahine pataloni o kautaha leiti o tō ngā Honorable Salote Lupepau Utuita Taioni. Whakatapu atu he makehe heni ki tahine whalanglangi o e whiawhini Honorable Fatawhehi Tuita Filipe. Whakatapu atu heni ki eiki kahatnali pia moha atak lotu. Whakatapu atu heni ki tarawhikaulahi o Piritania. No sila pe pehe ki Australia, whakatapu atu heni, ki e kau whakafofonga pure anga kotoa pe o ngau mea i heni. Whakatapu atu ki he whamiri o Porikalepo kefu, o ngau mea mai pe amo murina whoki. Whakatapu atu heni, ki e kau ngā ue pe amo maheni kotoa pe o Pori, pe a pehe whoki e toko taha kotoa o ki he malumalu o e whaleni, i he whiawhini. Kai ata pe mo toko tatu ani ke whakahoko atu ai kulea i he taritari i he lea whakapilitania. On behalf of Tonga Ladies Association, I would like to take this opportunity to humbly welcome everyone to this memorial event for our dear colleague and friend to all, Mr. Porikalepo Kefu. Your participation in this event shows how much we appreciate the work that Poli has contributed to our community as a whole. It is our hope that this event will bring light to our souls in remembrance of Poli and his contribution. Let us not dwell in sadness, but appreciate of each other, share words of encouragement, pray for one another, and even sing of God's love. Today, let us remember Poli in our hearts and be comforted As Matthew chapter 5 verses 4 says, "Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted." I wish you all well. Thank you, Malo Apito, for your presence.
Malo Apito Msatiwafe. And we will continue to, one of our main important items for tonight is the lighting of the candles. But before that, we will have a special item from Rexy Pahlavi. He's a member of the Tonga Lady Association. And while Rexy is performing the special item, may I ask on everyone who is here to light a candle on behalf of your network to please line up to the right, to my right, in front of Poli's banner on the right. And we will start with the lighting of the candles with the Honourable Lupe Uluiva, followed by the High Commissioners and our special guests. And we will then call upon each representative of networks present here with us to light and to show that your network
ai hiwa ko ia e whai pe e taha o kau me mipa ko ia o Tonga Ladies Association ko Rexy Ariki Pahlavi pea ko e lolotonga o no whai ai hiwa whaka while wā ki nau tōlu ai ni ihi ko ia o kunau i he loki koni whelenisi koni Pasilika ke nau tokoni pe i ono tuto e lau ngahi i te lango ko e whawhotunga o e manatu ofa ki a Polikalepo Kefu Porokalama e hoa ni ange koe ko lawe koe ki ai e tuto e te lango lolotonga ia o ko whai ai hiwa ko hinga koe tōtaha ko tau pe i e maramale whare ko ni ko nau taktau i pe angai te lango ai ko ngai te lango e whai hono tuto.
Fly, fly, little wings. Fly, we're only imagining. The softest cloud, the whitest dove, upon the wing of heaven's love. Past the planets and the stars, leave this lonely world of ours. Escape the sorrow and the pain and fly again. Fly, fly, precious one. Your endless journey has begun. Take your gentle happiness, far too beautiful for this. Cross over to the other shore. There is peace forevermore. But hold this memory bittersweet until we meet. Fly, fly, do not fear. Don't waste a breath, don't shed a tear. Your heart is pure, your soul is free. Be on your way, don't wait for me. Upon the universe you climb, on beyond the hands of time. The moon will rise, the sun will set, but I won't forget. Little wings, fly where only angels sings. Fly away till time is right. Polly, go now, find the light.
tai mina nge koe ne o lawe kia ne nai ange tutu ngahi te lango pe ku tu laine. Ai ngo ta whaki whakatau osi I he loki konferenisi ko ia I he pasli ka whai atu mea I he whakamatala koe ni.
I would like to invite the Honorable Frederica to please kindly lead our vigil tonight to light a candle to condemn all acts of violence in our society, to condemn all discrimination in our communities, to condemn all assault, hate, and cruelty to our friends, to our activists, and our advocates, to condemn the ugly act of brutal attack on our friend, Paul. I now invite the Honorable Frederica. So please, light your candle in memory of our dear colleague and friend, Pauli, and to be followed by our High Commissioners, Your Lordship, the First President of the Tonga Lady Association, Papiloa Foliaki, and all our leaders.
Kai ke hei lolotonga ni o ko mea tō. Ai whawhe whalanglangi, ka ko ino whafofonga I o e Pataloni o Tonga Ladies Association.
The act of violence in our midst.
Ka ko hono tuto e te lango ke whaha mahino. Ai kalo a ki tau tolo ko toa pe. Ki ngahi urunganga kōwi ko toa pe. O whahoko.
The act of discrimination and violence in our society.
Toa te laulanu.
The British High Commissioner, Her Excellency Lucy Joyce, and the community of the British in Tonga condemns all acts of violence in our community. The Deputy High Commissioner of New Zealand, Peter Land, representing the High Commissioner of New Zealand and the community of New Zealanders here in Tonga, is here to light a candle in memory of Polikalepo Kefu, to condemn all acts of brutal and savagery in our society. The lady Catherine Whitten is here with us to support the standing together of communities, networks and leaders. And as she lights a candle in memory of Pauli, she too condemns the act of violence in our society.
Kai ke he whawhea ka nau tōlua ka o whawafonga me he ngahi whanua mori koia I tonga ni.
Cardinal Murphy is here with church leaders and the community of our churches in Tonga to light a candle to support the solidarity and our standing together to condemn all acts of violence of all forms to anyone in Tonga.
Tuto e ngahi te lango,
The
pēngo e whamanato ke
first
te
president
tautolo.
of the Tonga
Ai
Lady
kohi,
Association,
oi ulunganga
Papiloa
kohi,
Foliaki,
te tawa
is
I
here to represent
pe ko hai.
all
O
minority
whai ke ai
groups,
ulunganga kohi, a oi pe ke more a mo ui, o hange pe ko
that we
ia.
stand together in
Nei
memory
hoko
of
ki he
all
peki a.
victims who have
Ka
fought
koe tā whamamahi, nei hoko ki ai o more a le mo ui.
while They stand to defend human rights and non-discrimination in our community. I would like to now call upon our next item that will be led by Sione Paalavi, who is with the Cool Running for Health and Fitness, that Poli's network for healthy living and promoting healthy living in Tonga, represented by Sione Paalavi. And while they play this item, I would like to invite all our network representatives to line up, as well as those friends and families also wish to light a candle. Please line up to my left. At the same time, we will be showing a short PowerPoint of great works that has been done by Poli, activities and advocacy work that Poli has been involved with. And I would like to invite Sione Paalavi now. Dare to dream of deportees and returnees is here to represent all those in our midst who have been there and come out of it strongly to stand in solidarity with us, to condemn all violence in our society.
Please hear my praise. I need you, Lord, and I'm not ashamed to say.
Families and friends,
sometimes it takes a mountain.
Dr. Uwila Fasi is here on behalf of Pomama Safe Space Dialogue that promotes equality, safe space for facilitated Talanoa to condemn violence in our society.
Get a hold.
Fuiva Kavaliku, prominent leader of our civil society organizations in Tonga, leading our network of young people, vulnerable groups, who is here to light a candle, to stand in solidarity with those who have fallen victim to violence, like our dear Poli.
Sometimes it takes a mountain.
Raman Lal Jr., the president of the Media Association of Tonga, where Poli was the secretary, is here to condemn violence in Tonga during their celebration of freedom of speech this month.
Whatever life would throw my
Ofa
way.
Ligiliki from the Women and Children Crisis Center
But dear,
is
so
wearing purple to condemn
brought me to my knees.
any form of violence
I need you, Lord, and I'm
dear
not
Poli has fallen
ashamed
victim
to say. Sometimes it takes
Poli was
a
also
mountain.
an advocate of climate resilient communities
Sometimes a troubled sea.
and the community integrated resilient assessment group and program
Sometimes it
of Pasamoyaki,
takes a
represented by
desert.
Dr. Kaukaho, is here to promote the banner held up by Poli to be climate resilient.
Your love is so
Katrina Mao.
much stronger. Oh Lord.
The coach of Poli, who belonged to one of
And
the Today Mentors
whatever
groups and leadership
troubles
program,
me,
is here with her network to condemn any
sometimes
forms
it
of violence and brutality
takes
in
a
our society.
mountain.
Siang Lau is here on behalf of new initiatives and ordinary Tonga that tells the beautiful life of great people in our midst, including Paul, to light a candle, to remember his legacy. David Avahai of Living Tonga is a Facebook page that promotes credible information sharing using responsibly social media. Is here to light a candle because Bali supported Living Tonga's safe space of information sharing. Rima Misa is here on behalf of disabled people in Tonga and the vulnerable groups in our society to ensure the safe and security of our people, condemning any form of violence in our society. Vanessa Lolohea, our youth network, is here with us, lighting a candle from our youth network that will uphold the banners held by Paul and to trust you and to pass it on to our younger leaders. Lest we forget. Friends from TLA are here to remember body touching lives through their network. Elise is here from United Nations, representing donors who have been so supportive of all the messages that Polly held. One of the development partners is the European Union, who's also supporting the work of a TLA alongside our development partners to light a candle to support safe and security, justice of humanity in our communities. While they will continue to line up, I will now ask for the presentation of Polly's life to be played in the background. Some more of our colleagues from the United Nations and IOM, who's here to also light a candle, followed by CSFT, the umbrella NGO in Tonga. Keasi Takao is here on behalf of the network of all the NGOs in Tonga and the membership of CSFT. Also, to stand in solidarity in pushing forward the implementation and the continuation of work that Polly has been advocating. I would ask everyone to move up, please, and light a candle in memory of friends and relatives. Sister Vika, who's been conducting leadership training from the Catholic Church. Polly has been part of these leadership groups and has been very, very prudent in sharing this with his network and the young people. Noblesse Tiki campaign, Tonga, that Polly has been very supportive of in his vie to build resilient communities in Tonga. Benny Lepa is the youth leader of Noblesse Tiki, that the Honorable Frederica is a patron and is here to represent the network that Polly has been supporting. Ellen Monique, FFOV, is here to light a candle in remembrance of a comrade who has been standing beside her to journey in making sure that our community is safe from violence. Dr. Joe Taka is here to represent an initiative that was dear to Polly, which is healthy living and promoting safe society for all. Poli was also part of the art community. And we have here with us Mr. Latu to show the diversity of the skills and the networks that Poli has been belonged to. Peter Paulson is here to represent our friends from afar who has become part of us. And the Rotary supports Poli and his work to reject violence. And the Rotary is here with us to remember Poli in her memories. We also here with us is Tita, who's also been very close to Poli through friends of the Honorable Lupe Pau.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved.
Dear friends and relatives of Poli, in lighting a candle in memory of our dear colleague and friend, we also speak in solidarity that what happened to him will not silence us, it will strengthen us. And we will uphold the banners that Poli has been advocating. I would now invite the next item, Ms. Atolomake Helu, to please perform the next item, followed by a tribute message from our guest of honor, the Honorable Lupe Luiva.
O ka le wani ke hiwa e whaokuia a Tolomake Helu. Ko ngā pēngai polkala makoi ko whaututu.
This is a very important time. I will now call upon our guest of honor to please kindly deliver her tribute to Poli.
Hoko atu ke mea whao koe whawhalanglangi.
Your Excellencies, Your Eminence, distinguished guests, Poli's family, ladies and gentlemen, I first met Poli around 2003. We were both young, and in my mind, we're still searching for our paths in life. Even in our youth, I was drawn to Poli's vibrancy and engaging spirit. He was able to put you at ease and bond with you and disagree without being invasive. Around the same time Poli joined forces with the Red Cross, I became a mother. And it was as though we were provided with the mechanism that made clear the purpose of our life's journey. The day I became a mother was the day I became acquainted with fear. The fear of what could happen to this vulnerable being you created, or to someone you know and care for. The morning we heard of what happened to Poli was the morning I saw that fear become a reality. But fear is the path to darkness, and Poli was anything but. Poli would have wanted us to continue his advocacy and to march forward with him in our hearts, to conquer our fears and create an environment that will not tolerate hate, and where our young people and future generations can flourish. Poli was a proud Tongan. You could see that in how he never attended meetings or events without a tauvala. Being Tongan means living how Poli did and embodying our society's values of love, humility, respect, and loyalty. But our society has yet to take command of the responsibilities required to truly commit to those values and implement them where it counts. Like our close friend Dr. Patrick Thompson stated in response to the news about Poli, a society that does not actively work to make spaces safer for its most marginalized will only ever reproduce exclusions that sanction violence and dehumanization that leads to murderous consequences. The international outpour of love and support for Poli and the work he dedicated his life to is an appropriate testament to an exemplary life of service and love. We know you are with us, Poli. Please watch over us all as we continue on this path you were so devoted to. Ofatu.
Thank you for the whio paha tuita.
Whamalo ke taine ko whatawhio lapaha. And we will move on with our program. And before we hear the word of encouragement from His Eminence, Lord Cardinal Mafi, we have here with us a very special child, a young girl who had asked to conduct a song, and she's the one who found Poli's body. It's a very special item that we wanted to put into our program because she wanted to contribute to tonight's vigil.
Ta hoko to ke hiva pa hiva ko ni he ko fa hoko he ki ta hine mono. Hangi pe ka te au ka ne ngo fa e to ki ta hine na ne I lo ko le sino pe kia. Ia matata I ko na si fa pong ai.
Hawa te ngai fata. Ko sa no fa. Te ki I fa matala no no pe. Ki e historia we. Me ana hoko ki a pori, tapu pe mo pori. Moi mea, nei he loto e kaunanga koe ni, o feina he loto fifita. Na mau, aha ke pe pong pong toko naki, whae mau family ko au pe mo fine e ki, moi ki kaunanga koe ni api. Pea, hiri pe mau wha family, pea lele ia ki hala na e ke mai whangakuri, he ki hala. Pea, o vale pe kua hu mai, pea ne pehe mai. Ofa. Koe tana tamate, kere kere. Pakai kiu tōkanga kia. Kau pea. Hau koe ofeina, koe kau kona pea. Nau mate so koku uha e te nau tuu peo toi lere. Pea whai pe wha mau whare. Tai no lere olo pe toi pehe mai. Ofa. Koe tana tamate. Oke kitu ngawe. Pakai pe kiu tōkanga kia. Kai pe mai kufine iki. Ofa. Lue he koe na he huki tu. Te koe hai mea kutokanga ia. Family. Ni mawat ki hala. Pea masia watu tape mo pori. Sene toko to me mata. Ke blala ki whamata. Pea mahi fontoko uandu pe. Mau whakapapau. Pe koe hai mea koko. Kai pe ki ngalo. Kone ape bongbong sapati antara mai. Whaitai mai. Kau hiwa maa pori. Ko wha pori. O wharai at pori. O whakike toka nuna. Kok mana tu e ku whanau. O whaike a pori. Ni hongo kai ke nau heni, nau he atu. E mahafola. Keke, ngari whanolo. Ka toko mua ke mau whee ngātu pe he mau ki hiwa. Na e toki ngongo I hake pe ane afi e fiafi. Mau whee ngā ke whakahua si hingo a pori. Pe ngā ki whee whamolmole anki mātoro.
Ooh.
ko e hiwa ia nei whahoko e ofa fifita mo no maniki tama ko whina fifita e ko e ki tahine na ne ulaki ilo ko e a pōri i he matawhanga ko e nei si ilo peki ai. Ka ke ko motoro ko whawhanau mai ke walfit poi nema ko ofa fifita ko e tahine ale sili tūpola o whawai mai ko e he letio. Pa ko o whina o whalau mai ko e veslau loto. Me tatau motong.
May I please invite you to speak to us as our spiritual father, to guide us and to give us some words of encouragement.
Hokot le vai ni ki a mea e whai e he eiki e piko pōko ia o tonga moniwe ka tinari soane patita pai ni mafi.
It is indeed a very sad day. Not only to Paulie's family, and thus I take the opportunity to convey to Taisia, the family, and Fatai, and all of you, Paulie's families, who are perhaps listening now, other parts of the world. There is such a moment that we almost speechless, do not know what to say. But I guess the symbols and signs, the rituals, and the various messages, even your very presence today, speak a lot about how much we felt about this young man. When I arrived to sit on my seat, Mrs. Papilo Foliaki, she said to me, "What's going on, Cardinal, in our dear nation?" I couldn't speak. I paused. And I recall a saying by, I would say, one of the oldest missionaries who was remaining at another time, and I don't want to speak much on that incident. Way back, I was in overseas, in America. But he wrote to me by email as I was watching something that happened here in 1611, and we all know. It was Father Brian Cullen, one of the marriage fathers at the time. He said to me, "Bishop, I think Tonga has lost its innocence." When I heard that saying, it's almost like my speechless tonight is, Papilo asked that same question. Es atakilotu. And I remember that years back, and I was watching something unprecedented and never thought it ever happened to our so-called friendly island. But I felt at the same time, as a church leader, I must come back to join my other leaders, not just church leaders, to perhaps to contribute again in some ways, big or small, because there's still a chance. When Agape wrote to me last Tuesday, this Tuesday, the very first sentences of his invitation really touched my heart. As he says, "As you might have heard through conversations, social media, we have lost a brother, a colleague, and a family member, not only the Catholic youth." I guess every mother naturally would feel so deeply, especially as she has children, the moment that one of hers would depart. I sort of felt it when I received the little invitation. a colleague had fallen, a brother, a member of your church. As a church leader, with my other church leaders, this is such a moment we perhaps so familiar with every funerals, every loved one to be buried and farewell. And tonight, that comes back again. But your messages today, as I said, there is something that always pointed beyond even the little smile of this dear man. The message of one of those who've been singing for us ended with, Polly, get close to the light. Every day I sit in my little chapel, morning and evening, just try to be silent and just reflect and pray. As I was aware of my role, as I said in the beginning, to this little dot, so to say, used to be called the Friendly Island of Tonga. And there I always sit and look straight. In front of me is this crucifix. And it's kind of distracted me every moment. After my little prayer, I'd look up, it seemed to be staring at me. And I thought of myself today before I came, Lord, what are you trying to tell us? Being naked there, isolated, abandoned, empty. And I thought of that, of this, so to say, dark moment. And yet, in that cross, another brighter message kept coming back each time I sit there. Paul suffered a lot. We just listened to this little kid, the experience he had, watching a fallen colleague, a brother, a fellow Christian, a fellow Tongan, such a fine young man. I remember Paulie in a special way in the counseling sessions, Tautaimana, and I wonder, who is this young man? Full of life, of vitality, passion, talk brilliantly. And I said, what a gift God has given him. The Lord has taken him. And I guess we have a lot of question marks in our hearts and minds. I guess that is the big question, not only myself, sitting there and look up at a wooden cross, rugged cross. Speechless, there is no answer. I think Paul is smiling at every one of us. We are asked to revive again our best. We are so small, we can't afford. It's already summed up today, this evening. Love is the missing reality in our world today. There is so much hatred, so much revenge. And standing here, I'm almost embarrassed. And my silent answer to Papi Law, Bishop, presidents, church leaders, there is something that we are at our best with. And that is what we begin with. So as I heard with almost your heart, our MC Bonnie, we condemn for sure te tau whakahalaki a ngai ngāwe tae ofa. but how I will leave it with that. Mahalo pe ko hato e ui pe, as we all know, love has to be restored by love. We witness our world in the media. It can go or reach nowhere if we encounter with more violence and even viciousness. This is an opportunity time for us. Look at ourselves first, each and everyone in our families. Lolo e whakahoha. Taisia, whatai, Mongo mātua ang smo mua atu ia. Mahau nau whakataha na tō mopo. Mo family, wa o e la vea ia. It will take time. And that would be our prayer. Let's walk together. We are with you together. All that Polly had associated with. This is a time to be together. Look at our best, our resources. And ask God as I reflect and wonder and disappointed. Every time you just give me a silence in the cross. As he himself was brutalized, crucified, shamefully. Tahine, ke mawhana e ahon. Pepe mo ona po salo te lupe pau, mo whafafonga mawharela. Nei tōwholofola mo kui ahon. Angeha wholofola whakamanatu mea ki tonga. In our most darkest moment perhaps, that fatherly voice resounded in every media in Tonga. A fatherly call to the nation. I'm just standing here, who am I? From the church side, together with church leaders. Let's dig down to what that shows our best in Tonga. Perhaps just a few brothers and sisters that they too need to be loved. That's why love is utmost as it's supposed to begin with in the family. Because tō wholofola ia. Ko tau talai tau malo iai. Ka mo pau ke tau matuai. O tua mo tonga. Ko tau tawhia. Ke whakafo au e tau tui o tua mo ui. He's a loving God. Innocently crucified. And that is the paradox and irony of our life. We must face with the paradox. I know we mourn today. Thanks for coming. We come together and mourn together with the Lady Association. Ko ngahi kupu whikaukau aki mahu inga, unau whi ngai whakaamu pe, ke e ongo. Ano toka ngai kina na mo, whae toko tākoto. Ko ofalahi atu kia tiki mautolu, ka hiene me whafufonga mai, toka ngai kina kupu mahu inga ko eni, tau society. O whiina pe si su e toko tākoto. Nei lau e toko taha whiohi ma kauanga hala. Ka koe ne whiohi I he ofa, na ne whakaririu ia ia toko lai. Ne awea e ofa ke ki nau tolu. Nau whainga tā ia ke nau sio a ke ofa ko ia. E whilewa whaha kau tatau atu.
Your Eminence, we certainly needed this word of encouragement. We reach out to our leaders at this dark moment. I will now call upon Taufu'i to deliver the biography of Pauli, followed by the tributes from some of our colleagues from abroad. And then we'll have one last special item from the Tonga Lady Association before our word of thanks. I now invite everyone to kindly put out your candles.
Kore ke hu whangai whakatapuko o skamata ki e tau. Whakataangan. Ka tāwe moau, ki whawawonga ia tu e Pataloni o e Tonga Ladies Association. Ono po Salote lupe pau tuita taione. Executive Committee and members of Tonga Ladies Association. Hono whakahoko atu ki vahe no no. Whikau aki. Pe mo pio ka halaf no no. Mo ui o pori karepo. Mo ngā ngongo kefu. On behalf of the patron of the Tonga Ladies Association, executive committees, and members of Tonga Ladies Association, I would like to share with you a very short biography and also quite a few experiences and goals that Poli had been carried forward in his dreams. And I would like to share it with you this evening. Poli was born in 16th August 1980, a gift of life that was blessed by God upon Magdalena and Siaos Kefu of Lapaha. He is the number 7th to the eldest among his siblings of 10. In his early life, he attended the government school of Lapaha and continued further to high school at Takuilau College and graduated in 1998. He went to the University of the South Pacific for foundation studies, completed, and also pursued further studies for undergraduates, major in sociology and psychology. Poli was employed at the Tonga National Youth Congress as the project coordinator in 2008 to honor about 2011, before he dedicated the rest of his life for the Tonga Red Cross. And I may leave that part for the Secretary General of Tonga Red Cross to share with you further. Flashback to when he was at the legal age as youth, despite his forever being a youth in our eyes. He volunteered and advocated in lots of international, regional, and national events and activities. I would like to share just quite a few. He was an active member of the St. Vincent Paul of Lapaha Parish and being part of the executive committee of the Diocese of Tonga Niue, St. Vincent Paul. There he dedicated his times for the minorities and those who require special needs in our society, that is the elderly and disabilities. In simple words, justice and equality for everyone. He became a successful member and a social influencer for the youth by motivating and pushing our youth to join and participated in the youth parliament, sharing the opportunities for the youth to attend national consultation, international and regional meeting, workshops, trainings, and studies. In his dreams, he pushed us all to educate and expose ourselves to the real world. He was a very powerful and supportive environmentalist. There he valued the contribution of our country in fighting against climate change, coordinating social gatherings to educate our people, to fight for our islands, our home, and one day we won't lose this treasure to the open ocean. That we don't be selfish for the future generation by taking advantage of what we have now, that we uphold justice for everyone. His unstoppable and magnificent support for the Tonga Ladies Association, there I lost count. He availed his time to join in the activities proposed by the Tonga Ladies Association to empower and safeguard the LGBTQI communities in ensuring that every single person in our community and our society are being treated equally and that we live in a peaceful island, a peaceful community, a peaceful country, and a peaceful nation. Once again, justice is for everyone. Today, Polly left us messages. Messages that open our eyes and fight for it. Fight for justice. Fight for our future generation. Fight for our country. Fight for our peace. Fight for equality. Fight to end violence. Fight to end illicit drugs. And fight for our right. This is a wake-up call for all of us. For the system of justice. For the LGBTQI community. For the church leaders. For our government. For us all, family and friends who are gathered here this evening. Is this the society that we wish to live on? Is this how we want our LGBTQI members to be treated? Is this the kind of violence that we want to teach our children to accept based on who we are? If we are to look back and dig in to find where this kind of behaviors come from, the answer should be home. Home, that should be our priority. Government, civil societies, organizations, church leaders, family and friends, we should prioritize what we need to prioritize. A wise man told me once, to end domestic violence and other forms of violence in our country, go back home. Home, which our first school, home where we learn to love one another, home where we should experience justice, home where we should be reminded that you and I are both God's creature, home where we pray, home where we should feel safe. Today, as you may all aware, His Royal Highness King Tupou VI re-emphasized on his keynote during the opening of Parliament his concern for our lawmakers and the Legislative Assembly members to do what they're supposed to do. The issue of illicit drugs has been flying on top of our heads for quite lots of years now. And that we face lots of cases as well. Very unacceptable behavior and unacceptable impacts that cause many problems in our community, in our family, on our nation as a whole. Such problem that we even witness with our own eyes at our own homes and families, at our own villages, and even out there at the streets. Lives have been lost, and many more lives are at risk. May I remind you all how much money we contributed to the main income of our government through tax. Afterwards, towards the end of last year to this year, a very unforeseen and unpredictable plan had been put forward to have an acting judge and temporary court to focus on illicit drugs cases alone, and it had been required a very huge amount of money, where this money actually driven from nowhere else but from our tax money that we pay. This money would have been utilized for something else, something more useful for the development of our country, but instead, illicit drugs? ? What are we waiting for? How many more angels are we expecting to be taken from us because of the impacts of illicit drugs? You will forever be in our hearts, in our mind, and in our soul. You have been rescued a lot of innocent souls while you were with us, and that we will make sure that we uphold your legacy from time to time. Fly high, my beautiful brother, my hero, my humanitarian angel. Thank you.
Ko taufu ina whahuia, ko e whafofonga whakalao ia ai kau taha e kau leiti I tonga ni.
For reading out the biography of our dear Poli and also reminding us of the messages that we must continue to hold up in remembrance of Poli's work. I'm going to ask to line up our tributes. Honorable Lupe Luiva, ladies and gentlemen, please bear with me for our last final part of our program. We shall not forget Poli's colleagues and loved ones from afar and abroad who are very much here in spirit with us and send their tributes and condolence messages to be read out tonight. And while we are lining them up according to our program, let me call upon James Mafua to please sing a song while we put our line of tribute messengers up, starting with the Media Association of Tonga.
Lolo tonga koe e tautau tali koe ni ki he ngahi manat me rie me he mahe ni ka pehe foki ai kau ngā ngau e awa Polikalepo o kuiai ai temi o fotu tō mai me he taha pea me mipa ai kau taha koe e whaletia tonga ko James Mafua ka whauko hoko mai ak nau tolu a manaki ke nau whahoko ai ngahi lea koe manat me rie me manatu ofa ki a Poli me he tapa ke he pe ngai ngau e angana e ngau e ai a Polikalepo o hangi e koe Tonga Red Cross o ki ai ngahi lea me he whangi kautaha tautaha o hangi e koe Take the Lead koe tapuaki me langi koe kautaha whaiongongo koe a Tonga na e hoko a Polikalepo koe se keri tali ki he kautaha whaiongongo koe a Tonga ka tau whanongo he ke ai temi makehe koe ni me a James Mafua koe taha ia e kau whaiako i ngahi prosek makehe ai Tonga Family Health Association.
God be with you till we meet again. By His counsel guide uphold you. With His sheep securely fold you. God be with you till we meet again. God be with you till we meet again. When life's path confound you, put His arms around you. God be with you till we meet again. Till we meet, till we meet, till we meet at Jesus' feet. Till we meet, till we meet. God be with you till we meet again. O whange ai o tuae, kene taki ho whanonga, o wana ke tue noa, lolo tonga pe e tau mawa. Ke moia, ke moia, I he ha la fua pe. Ke moia, ke moia, lolo tonga pe e tama wa.
Ko James Mafua ia, ko e taha ia kau ngau e I he kau taha o ngau toka ngai kina ai mo ilele e whamiri Tonga. Pe ko Tonga Family Health Association.
Secretary of the Media Association Association of Tonga. Here with us is the President of Media Association of Tonga to deliver a tribute from Met to Poli. Ramanal Jr.
Palestine kautaha whaiungonga Tonga, Manlala Jr.
Honorable Federica, Your Eminence Cardinal Murphy, the British High Commissioner, Her Excellency Lucy Joyce, the Australian High Commissioner, His Excellency Adrian Morrison, Deputy High Commissioner for New Zealand, Mr. Peter Lunn, and lastly, the most importantly, the family and friends of Poli Kefu. Poli Kapolipo Kefu joined Media Association of Tonga as a communications officer for Tonga Red Cross Society in December 2019 as we revived Met. Last December, he was elected the Secretary of the Media Association of Tonga. Poli can be described as a good listener who only spoke up when he thought strongly of an issue. Poli was a keen learner and attended the media workshop in Tonga and the virtual workshop, which were held on a regional basis. Poli was a thinker who only spoke when he had something valuable to contribute. Poli was always gentle, and he was always there for our members. His smile will be greatly missed. Poli was always a message away, which is a lot to say about our members. On Thursday, before the weekend, was the last time I saw Poli. The reason why I got teary when I said that message, because in that meeting, there was only 4 or 5 members that attended. It doesn't matter how big or how small our meetings will be. You can guarantee Poli will be there. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family and friends, especially the family of Poli. May justice prevail for Poli. This evening, we stand, not as a media association, but unite as we fight for justice for Poli. May you rest in eternal love, my friend Poli.
Malapito Media Association of Tonga. Poli was also a proud graduate of the Maxwell Leadership Training of Tapuak Meilangi. And today, from his cohort is Celia Ledger to read out the tribute from the Good Leadership Training.
O ko kole ke hufanga. I tala whakatapu. Ne ka mata ke polo kalaman. Kai ata mo whine mutu tuan. Ke whakahoka o te ki whatongian. This is a special tribute to Poli Kefu, who was part of the second group of the 6 weeks leadership program on Today Matters that is facilitated by Katrina Ma'o-Fatueki. I stand in honor of his group, which Honorable Alematea Vaha'i was part of, as well as others. This is for you, Polly, and the memories you shared in that class. And memories you have left behind, because you have touched many lives and a heart for everyone. Today Matters tribute for Polly Kefu, our hero, our advocate, composed by Katrina Ma'o-Fatueki on behalf of the Today Matters Leadership Network. Today matters because your smile and contagious laughter. Today matters because of your energy, adrenaline, and commitment to speak for others. Today matters because you displayed the right attitude. Despite your circumstances. Today matters because you were always genuine and have a big heart for everyone's situations. Today matters because you always modeled generosity and valued relationships. Today matters because you put your family first and took on more responsibilities. Today matters because he showed us how to think outside the box and brought about positive changes. Today matters because he demonstrated faith and gave us hope and possibilities. Today matters because you always made people feel better. Today matters because you were always a lifter and an encourager. Today matters because you listened to us and gave us voices as a sustainer. Today matters because your word still lingers and will continue to echo as a master trainer. Today matters because you were a genuine campaigner and globetrotter. Today matters because you were a brainer and successor of being a changer. Today matters because you were fearless and a risk taker. Today matters because you were just a caretaker and shaker. Today matters because you became a hero. An advocate. To make us better. Today matters because you showed us true leadership, a heart for all to make us matter. Thank you for being you. You were real, an angel who valued everyone. And you showed us how to love without being judgmental. Rest in God's love, dear Polly, our hero, our advocate.
Walosilia, Siang Lau is here to pay tribute on behalf of new initiatives newly funded by New Zealand.
New Initiative is a combined effort of Ordinary Tongan Lives, Tutu on the Beach, and Radio 88.6 FM, Radio Nukalofa. I've had the honor of knowing Pauli for over a decade as a close friend and colleague, and I've also worked side by side with him as activists and advocates for countless issues. As a writer, I often have time to sit with people and share heart-to-heart moments with them. We'll talk about their upbringings, their roots, what makes them who they are, why they do the things they do, and the deepest desires of their hearts. And Pauli was one of them. Not once, not twice, but countless times I've sat with Pauli and shared heart-to-heart messages. I'll share with you guys only 3 distinct memories that hopefully would speak for the character of Pauli. When Pauli was in the 5th grade, in primary school, he was always a top student in primary school. And so when he got to his 5th grade, they had a rehearsal before the actual prize giving. And during the rehearsal, the big rehearsal, Pauli was told to stand at the front, and he was called during the rehearsal as first in class. So Pauli went to his family and told them that he's the captain of the class. And so his elder brother bought new socks, brand new sandals, bought him new uniform just to attend the ceremony. And when Pauli went there and the family was there gathered waiting for him to be called first, Pauli was called to be 5th in class. He turned to me and laughed and he said, "Manatu, I tomo na kalasi." My elder brother almost crucified me, but I had new uniform and I had new sandals. When he had a very dear friend, a woman who feared being persecuted and criticized and mocked and ridiculed. When she was about to give birth, she considered abortion. And of all people, she went to Pauli. And Pauli said, "Darling, there are so many people around the world who are dying to have children. Why would you let go of this baby? I will help you raise the baby. I will stand by you anytime you need it. I will speak for you when everyone attacks you." And he did that throughout his whole life. In fact, on Mother's Day, I remember Pauli as a mother because he's got sons here. I asked him, "Pauli, will you ever get married?" He said, "Never marry." I've skipped that stage. I'm already a parent. I'm a parent to my parents, I'm a parent to my siblings, and I'm a parent to all the world. The third one is that he distinctly told me that he always feared drinking with men. Because when men are drunk, they make Pauli climb on coconut trees. And they make him dance. And when he comes down, they'll beat him up. Men at school would make Pauli stand and hold on to barbed wires and shake the wire while he holds on to it. Men will chase him when he's sweeping on the side of the road just because he chose that life. He said to me, "You know, it's funny. If I'm going about digging the ground and doing men's work and I see people coming around, I run and hide. But if I sweep and if I clean our house and people come, I'm so proud of that." That's a few memories that I used to share with Pauli. And when I pondered this week on the horrendous crime that took away his life, the only scripture that came to me was from the book of Isaiah, chapter 53. And it discusses our Lord and our Savior as a man of sorrows, acquainted with grief. And you wonder when you read about the Savior, why did he do all that? Why did he suffer all that? And the only answer I come up with is so that he knows how to succor his people. Pauli really knew how to succor his people. He knew how to help them because he knows what it's like to lose a parent. He knows what it's like to be an orphan. He knows what it's like to raise a child. He knows what it's like to care for the differently abled people. He knows how to take his Lapaha roots wherever he went. And whenever he talks, he'll talk of Lapaha. And whenever he's in the meeting, he'll ask me if this Lapaha person can be part of it. And that was Pauli. To conclude my remarks, I would like to share a poem that I've composed called Kakala o Pauli. I hope you like it, Pauli. Kakala na tui me loto Lapaha. He tokfa o ne lua ne laulota. Polikalipo mo ngangongo kefu. The Helala strand of your kahoa was long enough to tie families, friends, strangers, and even enemies together. It was enough to reach the most vulnerable, the less fortunate, the often forgotten, unheard, and the voiceless of our society. It was enough to include people of all sexual orientation, colors, races, ages, and religions. It was enough to reach places very few would dare to even think of. It was strong, enough to endure years of discrimination, violence, harassment, and ridicule. Enough to serve joy, light, and laughter, even amidst literal, personal, and natural disasters. Enough to build up others around you, even when they tore you down. Enough to keep on giving, even when you had nothing left but yourself. Enough to strengthen others, even when you needed strengthening too. Oh, and it was beautiful. Enough to melt the most critical mind. Enough to calm the most stubborn heart. Enough to attract citizens at home and abroad. Enough to convince the most ignorant. Enough to remain humble, even when you had a lot to brag about. Now that you're gone, Pauli, ok alaha. Ok alaha ho kakala. And in the midst of our questions, of our confusion, of our anger, of our cries for justice, of our saying enough, I can faintly hear you, dear friend. I can smell the fragrance of your kakala. And it cries, si ofabe. Love, you're better than that. Forgive. Free yourself. Endure. This too shall pass. It is then that your kakala pleads louder than ever before. That the best way to honor you is to put on your kahoa and wear your kakara of that ball.
Aloha Pitosia for the beautiful tribute. When Polly passed on, he was currently employed by Tonga Red Cross. Here with us, Unga will read out a tribute from a colleague from Fiji, Eva, and also the Tonga Red Cross Network.
Ko ingoe ki whimoto whakahaa, ko whirimo unga ahalelei. Nā ko kore e pē ki hūwhanga, he ngai whatapu. O toa pē, ka tā mo ohu ke whahoko atu. Mau mana meli ke pori ka lepo, mo ngā gongo kefu. Koe popo aki ofa, me ngai kaunga mea, maheni, me kaunga ngā ue a poli. Nā nau whinga ue aki. Pako nau i ngai whetu kehe i tō ngani mo muli whoki. Whakatulo watu. Ka whawhalau atu si o mau ofa. Mo i whia ka ngoa mamahi. I he mole ka whakafa. Mo tai amane kina. Ku hoki tonu i he whamili. Ngā oi anga. Siasi, me whanua. Ko tā o kuongo, pe uhu ki o mauloto. Neongo e mau nofo e ngai wheito o kehe, o hao ke ni ihi o whakapaia he o tumuli. Ka ko whataha i ki mau tolu, he ui whakalewa, ko whai ki o mau kaunga ngā ue, kaunga mea whawhale. Ko poli ka lepo mo ngā ngongo kefu. Ai ana i loa ko poli. Ko mau manatu meli e. Na mau ka mata whenga o e aki mo poli. Hili a e ne tuku pā ke fua whatongia ma e society ko lo skula atonga. Na e mahino au pito kia te mau tolu e nā tula o poli. Ko tō tahanga whaapa. Ofa. Fie to koni, whai to tonu. Ngā hoe oski a velenga, pia kanoni ake ne mo ui fia. Koe whotu ngofua, pia maheni me taha kotoa ia whetu pe te mau ngāwe ki ai, pia ahi ki ai. Kona ulnganga ne huloni e he taimi ok mawha tuktuki ai e whatongia. Tau te whito i he lolotonga hanga ue tokoni i he whakatamaki. Pere tau whai le wahane fo i tala no mali e. Pia hili o ake hane tuu o tau olunga. Ke whakamahino, koe tau olunga, mo whaiwa whakatonga, ko mea pe ia knau tol mela paha. Pia mau kakata ai pe, pia mohole ai pe mauongosia. Ko mau tolo hono kotoa, na ane whakahingoa ak pe ene hingoa pe ia a ana na ane whau. Ke mau whiawhia ka atoa ai. Pe koe whaitu pe iai a poli e ilonga pe he kata me wawa. Ka kai hau ki ngā ue iha ne wholau pe puke pe o kulongo noa ho mau ofisi pe mau tailata ka atoa. Ko toko tahana i anga whaapa-apa pe a tauhiwa. Pena ane lau kau aki hono kolo tupanga ala paha. Moyanga e tala whakawhonua tuk whakaholo o tonga. Ka pau e wholau ki tu apuleanga. O kune lau kau aki hono tonga. Pea ne tui hono te unga whakatonga kakato. Pea ne toki fotu mali. Mo whaka eiki. Ke whakamahino e tala o e tonga. Ko urunganga o poli. O kone mau katoa e nau o whetu ngingila. O kulo, pe whaka ofa, ni ungoha ngahi whaingataa. O kone mau e lau mali e ofa. Te kono lau mali e, o mawongona. Mo tangi atu pe mehe wahanoa, ma ngahi wheitu kehe o mau iai. O mau whaka amu noa pe, ko hala tuu. Ke mau lava atu, ke mamta kau. Hono te ue whakahekeheka o ene wholau. Ok mau whamalola hi atu. Ke si familia pori. Ko ki mau tau nai hangepe ko tau famili. E tau whiuhi ka uhi ko pori. Pehe ke kolo, pe Moisias Katolika, malahataki o la paha. He whāna utama lelei, pe lawa ke mau inasiai mo ki mau tolu. He fua mo e ola ho mo ngā ua lelei, o whakawhau mai he ene mo ui, mo ene ngā ue. O ko ate whamalo makehi ke Jolene, Joey Mataele, pe Metonga Ladies Association, hono whotu utu e palokalama poni, ke whailonga i e mo ia poli. E wikai ke poli e te mau tolu, ai anga ho mo whenga o e aki, o hange e peha whamili petaha, a mo whi ofu ofani. Ko e hawhia whini, whamahino e poli, i hene tatau mai, mangahi manat meli e katoa o mau whai. Ko ne ngau e kotoa, ko ngau e mai o tua, pe ko eki o pule, he ko i au whakarewelewa. O ta ele e hono fu mafi, pe au whai fu naki pe ne pule, he ko fu mistelia. Neongo mai whana e whengau e aki mai whiohi. Pe maulo i mata ia he mawai. Na ikai ke mau teu ki aho pe heni pon. O mau muna pe ma lau ai punai ke i he himi o no wou ai sias wiziriana. Ke whra mau popo aki e mau whiohi ne whai mo pori. Ko lelei ne ngā ue ki ai. Ko lelei pe ai kakai. Ko halanga wholau pe ia. Ke whanua o monu ia. Ke kak veinga aki au. Ko whetu ungingi lau. Ko whetu ungingi la mau. Si whetu. Toki whetu. Ko whetu ungingi la mau. O whamalo ki e iki he taimi. Oi mau whiohi mo poli. He koe kota tapo aki. Poli. O mau whalahi atu whau ki o whawhonga. Si o mau kau ngā mea. Ka koe whoi whetu ungingila. Ko ne hoko. Ko whawhi au ki hau. Tu au whātu. Rosamond Ping. Whirimai o ngā halelei. Dr. Kate Davis, Newcastle, Australia. Finau Hui Whangalewe, New Zealand. Corinne Ampler, Europe. Kelsey Tostra, New Zealand. Michael Stempenumpo, Papua New Guinea. Matanoa Headland, Cook Islands. Lucy Finikaso, Tuvalu. Tritestele Karai, Vanuatu. Cameron Bundi, Solomon Islands. Pemifisi, Vulingauna, Karishma Narayan, Lema Punchueli, Joseva Maiki Turavula, Nete Lokavatu, Soya Beck, Mary Lilista Coro, Ana Kotoi Wasawasa, Seriana Sevuita, Pemamoleni, Oeva Pomana Tuholaki, Malo.
Malo pito Tonga Red Cross Momo Network. We have with us the Executive Director of Women's and Children's Crisis Center of Akutenvale, Ligiliki, to pay tribute to Boli.
Whātulo at ki he tahine ko Frederica, tulo at ki a Katnali, tulo atu ki he whamiri o Boli Kalepo. Kau hufanga te ngai whatap ko ose ona whaki, ka tāpea mo e whin motu ani, ke whai haki I lawe, ki he whengau e aki, a Women and Children Crisis Center, Pamo Boli. Ko kole he whanga malia, ko ni if I can just ask the staff of the Women and Children Crisis Center here just to stand where you are as a sign of respect for Boli. Just stand from your seats, please. I'm pretty sure you're all wondering why on earth is this group walked in purple. Purple is the color of our staff uniform, and we wear it to official occasions. And I think the staff have gone through about 5 uniforms in purple, and I've never had one. This is my first one. And Polly was the first to comment about that. He said, "Off, it's so good to see you out of black, because you're always forever in black." And tonight we wear our uniform in tribute to him because he was such a huge supporter of the Women and Children Crisis Centre. I can't list it. I think Polly had some plan with God up in heaven about the weather, because we're all supposed to be in Niuatapu right now. But our flight was cancelled this morning, and I said, Polly must have something to do with it, because Polly was that person. When you heard from the president of the Media Association of Tonga, Lala, that is actually a fact. No matter what, Polly will turn up to your events. And he was like our last minute call a lot of times. We had a Say No to Bullying in Schools competition that was held during the intercollegiate sports comp at Te Whaiva. And we had 3 judges, and one of the judges apologized very last minute. And it was quite funny because I was somewhere else, my deputy was somewhere else, and Joe was in the office. And we all inboxed each other and said, "Call Polly," because that's how reliable Polly was. And for sure, when they contacted Polly late afternoon for the event the very next day, Polly said, "I will be there." And so, because I don't have a good sense of time, I've written what I wanted to say so that I don't go on and on tonight. And it's a tribute to our dear friend Polly from the Women and Children Crisis Centre. Dear Polly, we scrambled with our words for days. All we could talk about was you. For some of us, we didn't want to believe it. No. Koeha, ikai. This is not possible. Some of us felt so sick in our stomachs. Some of us searched quickly to relive the moments shared with you. You had just helped us, Polly, with the No Bullying campaign in schools. But like many others, we didn't know. We didn't know that that was the last. It's never been easy, the work we do in Tonga. And you know that all too well, Polly. But you have always remained 101% loyal to the human rights cause in Tonga. And that, I salute you. You are the person who always asked, and I've heard it many times tonight, how can I help? That was your #1 question everywhere you went, how can I help? That was you, Polly. You have tirelessly worked with WCC over the last 12 years, and with some of us over the last 16 years. Always, always, always helping WCC as an advocate to end all forms of violence and discrimination in Tonga. You referred women and young girls to us. You would messenger the staff, you would messenger me. Please, can you help this young woman? Please, can you help this mother? Here are her contacts. You would connect us with these women and girls. You turned up at all our events with your big, wide smile. Always asking, how can I help? That was you, Polly. Taken away violently from us, that we cannot stomach. We stand in solidarity, calling for justice. But we also stand in solidarity to celebrate your wonderful, amazing journey in this world. We thank God for you, Polly. We thank your family and your children for you. We thank Honourable Eiki Lupepau, Honourable Frederica, Joey and the Leyte Association, and the Sogi SC community in Tonga. Thank you. We thank the Tonga Red Cross for you. And we thank you, Polly. We thank you for the good human being that you were to so many people. And whilst we would wish that your beautiful life was not taken away so violently from you, we continue the fight to improve the lives of all human beings here in Tonga. We've heard so many times tonight. We light our candles today on the foundation of what Martin Luther King said. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can. And light and love starts at home with us, the way we raise our children, the way we teach equality in the home, that every boy and girl is equal, that they're valued equally, that they're loved, that they're given opportunities, both, regardless of whatever gender identity they are born. O falahi atu au pito, Polly. From all of us at the Women and Children Crisis Centre. Ma'aloe ngawe oskia velenga. And we hope to learn all from you and follow in your path. Ma'aloe pito ma'uwhainga malie from all your sisters from the Women and Children Crisis Centre. Justice for Polly.
Maloa Pito Ofa from the Women and Children's Crisis Centre. And from the disability sector, we have here with us Rima Misa to pay tributes.
Malo, on behalf of all persons with disabilities in Tonga, we would like to pay our tribute to Polly. We would like to salute for you, Polly. A man understands what it's like to be disabled. A man, he understands what it's like to be inclusive, or to be exclusive. And tonight, we will certainly miss you, Polly. You always supporting us when we push to inclusion. When you push us to access to justice. As you all know, people with disabilities, we are always exclusive. We are always discriminating. And no wonder we're supporting each other with Polly. And may I ask this to all of you here, let's just stand together and fight against discrimination and domestic violence into our country. Oh, Father, here to Polly, I give you a salute for the night. You are my hero. Thank you.
Maloa Pito Rima. One of the development partners has been funding Tonga Leyte Association and been very close with the activist Polly is United Nations. And we have with us Elsie from UNFPA as well as UN Women to deliver their tributes.
Whātulo wātu pia ko kolege ho whanganga he tara whātapu ko osana tala o whākiat me moani. Ka tāma whine motuani kene whahoko atu pē ai tohi whikau ngā mamahi me he kautaha UNFPA. To the Vice President and members of the Tonga Leyte Association, we receive with profound shock news about the sudden demise of Polly Kalepo Kefu, and it's with a heavy heart that I express my deepest sympathies to the Tonga Lady Association and the Brewitt family on behalf of UNFPA Pacific. Polly, as we all knew, was an ardent supporter of the International Conference on Population and Development mandate advocating for sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression for adolescents and young people in Tonga. We celebrate his life, remembering his passion, and while making significant contributions to sexual and reproductive health and rights in Tonga. And we commit to continuing the support to the cause he believed in. Please accept my TBS condolences to you and on behalf of his family. May Polly's soul rest in peace. Yours sincerely, Dr. Jennifer Patla, UNFPA Director and Representative, Pacific Sub-Regional Office, Suva, Fiji. Malo.
On behalf of the United Nations Women Pacific family, we wish to convey our deepest condolence on the loss of Polly Kalepo Kefu. Polly was a highly respected friend, colleague, human rights activist, and strong advocate for LGBTQI rights in Tonga and the Pacific. Polly was well known and respected for his passion and commitment to ending violence, his work for the Tonga Red Cross Society, and his fight for human rights and equality for all. So full of life and love, and an inspiring and talented leader. Polly will be missed. Polly's loss is a loss to the Pacific. Our thoughts and prayers and deepest condolences goes out to his family, loved ones, and the Tonga Lady Association community during this difficult time. Rest in love, Polly.
On behalf of the Ambassador of the European Union, delegation of the European Union for the Pacific expresses its condolences for the death of Polly Kalepo Kefu to his family, colleagues, and friends, in particular to the Tonga Lady Association, of which he was a president, and the Pacific Protection Gender Inclusion Network, which he chaired, and the Tonga Red Cross Society, where he worked. The delegation of the European Union for the Pacific is committed to human rights and LGBT+ rights. It recognizes Polly's contributions as a human rights defender, notably for the rights of LGBT+ community in Tonga and the Pacific, for gender equality, and for sexual reproduction, health, and rights, including HIV education and responses. The delegation of the European Union for the Pacific is concerned by the violent attack on Polly. It condemns any threat or act of violence against human rights defenders or persons in vulnerable or minority groups. It will continue to support activists who, after Polly, will continue the fight to protect people and eliminate inequalities, discrimination, and exclusion. From the Ambassador, Sujiro Sim, of the delegation of the European Union. I now call upon Joey Mataele to complete the vigils, the tributes for tonight.
Before I continue, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce Polly Kalepo Kefu's sister, who's here with us, and also the two children that he raised. Tema, boys, please stand up so everybody can know who you are.
ko reat ke motua ki o lunga tema. These are the two children, or the two boys that Polly's always talking about. When I talk about my daughter, Polly talks about the two boys and how they don't like Nu Tolosipi every time. Thank you very much, Tema. I love you, boys. On Friday, we spent the last few hours before he trotted to reload after I told him to go home, because we had a retreat on Saturday and he was supposed to be leading that retreat. And I turned around and I said, but before I left, we sort of joked about the AGM for this year. And when Polly said, oh, and Kuela mentioned that, oh yeah, our AGM will be in June. And I turned around and I said, yeah, continue on. You have another 3 years to go. And he just turned around and, hey, like he couldn't care less. And I turned around and I said, I'll see you all tomorrow morning. On Saturday morning, we were the third persons to be at the hospital when the call came through. Polly, I'm not going to say goodbye. We'll see you later. I'm just angry because your duty is not finished yet. And your term is not finished yet. Sincere condolences from the New Zealand Human Rights Commission. Māloelele Tonga Ladies Association. It is with heavy hearts that we acknowledge the sudden and tragic loss of our brother Polikalepo Kefu over the weekend. Polly's bravery and humanitarian work touched many lives in Tonga and throughout the Pacific diaspora. He will always be remembered as an international SOGI, human rights champion. My colleagues and I at the New Zealand Human Rights Commission had the good fortune to meet Polly in March 2019 in Wellington at the ILGA World Conference. We hosted the Talanoa for Pacific delegates, which Polly attended and contributed to regarding the human rights hopes and aspirations of Leyte. We acknowledge the loss of Polly upon all who loved him, his kāinga, friends and communities. We mourn for you and send blessings, condolences, strength and peace. From the Ray Foundation, Auckland, New Zealand, that funds the Tonga Ladies Association scholarships to Ahapanilolo. We would like to extend our deepest condolences to the Tonga Ladies Association team on the passing of your president, Polikalepo Kefu. We are shocked and heartbroken to hear this awful news. Reading of his devoted work with TLA and for human rights in many fields, this is a huge loss to the community at large, as well as to you as his co-workers and friends. We are holding you close to our thoughts and wishing you all strength in this difficult time. Our sincerest sympathy. From ILGA Oceania, Polly Kefu played a pivotal role in coordinating the Tongan hub for our recent human rights and law reform virtual symposium held recently in February in Suva, Fiji. Polly was a humble, gentle, inspiring leader who displayed a proactive interaction with ILGA Oceania on its various projects and conferences. We extend to the family of Polly Kefu our sincere and respectful condolences, as well as the members of the Tonga Ladies Association. Its esteemed patron, Honorable Salote Lupepau Utuita Taione, its interim president, Agebi Tunuguafe, and illustrious co-founder, Joey Jolene Mataile, and all police colleagues and friends. In the spirit of activism and friendship, we will miss you, Polly, for you proactively, strong activism, your commitment and dedication of LGBT to LGBTI issues and movement throughout the Kingdom of Tonga. The Pacific Islands and Oceania, we stand in solidarity. We will continue to stand for human rights and social justice against violence in all its form. Rest in love and rest in peace. Ken Moala and Vanessa Lee Arnott, co-chairs of ILGA Oceania. From the Pacific Sexual Gender Diversity Network. Polly was a true humanitarian worker. He dedicated his life to volunteerism with Tonga Red Cross and TLA, serving and helping people, and to receive the news of how he departed is so painful and heart-wrenching. Polly is known to many of us in the region and globally as one of the passionate, critical, kick-ass, funny, and die-hard human rights activists. Excuse my French. With his charm and leadership, he touched so many lives and was an inspiration to all of us. His fight for ensuring equal human rights and opportunities was not only for LGBTIQ people and people living with HIV. It was for women and girls, people with disabilities, and other vulnerable populations. Polly's genuine passion and dedication in serving and advocating for the community has always been and will be role model for us. He also deeply shared the pain and sorrow with his loved ones. Therefore, we express our sincerest condolences to his family for the demise of our friend and a true Pacific warrior and activist, Mr. Polly Kalepo Kefu. May his soul rest in peace and power in deep sorrow. PSGDN family. From the Pacific, Raising Pacific Voices. The Raising Pacific Voices project, Oxfam in the Pacific, was honored to work with Polly as a result of our work in Tonga, facilitating assessments of civil society organizations, disaster risk reduction, preparedness, and their organizational capacity. Polly, although working for the Red Cross at the time until his untimely passing, happily joined our workshop in October 2019 in his capacity as the president of the Tongaletes Association. He walked in with a smile to everyone, a word to almost everyone he passed, a wave across the room before he sat down. And he didn't stop with his greetings there. Although he was very busy, he made time to sit and complete group activities for the Tongaletes Association, while at the same time encouraging the two soft-spoken and shy members attending with him to be courageous enough to present their group work. Polly made time for everyone who needed that support when a project team member had to go back into Tonga to complete follow-up work a month later. Polly and the TLA Vice President, Cruella, made time late in the evening to work on their development plans, even though it was after hours and they were both clearly exhausted since clashing commitments meant they could only meet then before our team member flew out. This was the type of person Polly was. He would go the extra yard for the benefit of his members because he genuinely cared about them. Polly's tragic past is a loss not only to Tonga but the greater Pacific, in which he worked and he was taken before his time. We can only strive as his colleagues and friends to live our lives the same way he did, in service to everyone without judging one another and always accepting each other with love. Rest in love, Polly. We keep your beloved family, your friends and all the Tonga Ladies Association in our thoughts and prayers, and will strive to be true to how you lived your life. And last but not the least, from the Office of the United Nations Human Rights Special Procedures from Geneva, from the mandate of the Independent Expert of Protection Against Violence and Discrimination based on Sexual Orientation and Gender Identity, to the Tonga Ladies Associations. Last Saturday, through social media, I saw the smiling face of Polikalepo Kefu. His wide and happy smile incourageously accompanied by the shocking news that he had been taken from us in such an untimely and cruel manner. In the hours and days that followed, I have remembered the interactions with Polikalepo, who in March of 2019 was generous by sharing the experience of the Tonga Ladies Association, its achievements and challenges since the creation in 1992, and the imperatives of legal recognition and decriminalization that inspired their work. Knowledge, kindness, joy of life, and a tiny bit of mischief are keywords that came to mind when thinking of the impression that he made on me, that I will now treasure. Since then, I followed his advocacy work, and this is why I can understand the enormous void that he will have in our movements. The fight against violence and discrimination in our common struggle, but today, feelings of shock, sadness, and loss will probably be strongly present in your spirit. I hope that you can feel that I and Catherine, Taro, and Alex, who support the mandate, join you in grieving Polikalepo, honoring his life and achievements, and finding inspiration in them to redouble our efforts for justice and truth. I send you my friendship and share in your sorrow. Victor Madrigal Polos, independent expert on protection against violence and discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity, Geneva. Mahalo Apito.
Mahalo Apito Joey. And may I also acknowledge our development partners who's here with us, the Office of His Excellency Adrian Morrison in DFET, AMFET, and the British High Commission. I will now call upon the members of the Tonga Lady Association to send us off with an item followed by a word of thanks. It will be delivered by the acting CEO of the Tonga Family Health Association.
Ko e lava lelei fokia a ngahi popoaki talamonu, ngahi popoaki manatu ofa, ngahi popoaki whikau
The song that we will be singing is
Nei he ni ihi o e nau tolu a nau whinau e aki pia mo Poli Kalepo.
Yes. And every time we'll be every time we tend to sing at the office, Polly will turn around and said in Tongan, "Tukwe ki hiva tai kalasi." The message of this song is love one another. There's nothing more important but love. If we have love in our hearts, then love will conquer all. Polly, this is for you. And you can laugh as much as you want because we are singing.
Making music with my friends, loving God, loving each other, and the glory never ends. Back for the table to listen to his word, his secret plan before he had to go. It's not complicated, don't need a lot of rules. This is all you need to know. Loving God, loving each other, making music with my friends, loving God, loving each other, and the story never ends. Tend to make it harder, build steeples out of straw, fill books with explanation on the way. But if we stop and listen, break a little bread, we would hear the Master say, loving God, loving each other, making music with my friends, loving God, loving each other, and the story never ends. Loving God, loving each other,
the story. Know the story never
Ko e lava lele ia e te makehe me he kautaha ko ia ai Lady Atonga Pikatonga Ladies Association tau hoko atu mo tau polokalama ke tau tuku aki ai tau polokalama makehe ko ia ma a Polikalepo kefu.
Ke whai ai whakamalo. Peange au o kumalawa. Kau kui kai. Hale ai ai whiunga. E koia nā ne whoaki. Pea koia o ne to'o. Ka ne whawhana langi. Mo uvili atu ki mo. He koi kau matatali. Tina wa o se ai whonua. Polikalepo kefu. Koe whanau tama koe, ai kautaha ke mo ui lelehi whamili tonga. Koe pia etu keita. Nā ki whamanatu, ki tau tupo tonga, ai whana whanaola. Manatu me lie ki a te koe, iho vahe ki a te au. Give me the first letter of your name. Give me an adjective to describe how you feel. Yes, Polly. Catherine, that's my name. I love to call you Kay because I am in every sense of the word. Guests of honor, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the patron, the Tonga Ladies Association, and all the members, we must mention our deep sense of appreciation for the compassion and empathy that surrounded us tonight in our time of loss and cooking us in love and support and encouragement. Polly's passing left us filled with sadness and a deep sense of loss. But don't forget, Polly, tonight, you are an inspiration. Once again, to all our invitees and all our families and friends, all the words of condolences and those love gave us the cause to face our tomorrow. O ka tau I mai, koe mea ia ke whai. Ki tau te ofi ki eiki. Pea koe nonga e o tua, mamao, tatai e ata mai kotoa, pa tene maloi, ho mo loto, mo ngai whakaukau, ia kalai sisu, malo apito, toa whātu.
Honourable Lupeoluiva, that has brought our gathering tonight to a closing. Please allow me to invite His Eminence once again to say the closing prayer.
Perhaps we just pause for a second or two, get together our minds and our hearts and our soul as we just witness and listen to various tributes to our dear friend Paulie as he continues to smile at us. So we pause for a moment or two. I will just recite a bit version from Saint Francis of Assisi's famous prayer before the blessing. Lord, make me a channel of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me bring your love. Where there is injury, your pardon, Lord. And where there is doubt, true faith in you. Make me a channel of your peace. Where there is despair in life, let me bring hope. Where there is darkness, only light. And where there is sadness, ever joy. O Master, grant that I may never seek so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love with all my soul. May Almighty God bless us all, the Father, the Son, and Holy Spirit. May he rest in peace. Amen.
There is a light refreshment for those who wish to
Te a koe lava lele ia ai polo kalama makehe o i whiawhini. Hange pe koe ia mō mea mai ki ai i e le te o kai pe foki i he best Facebook a koe ia o Broadcom FM. Polo kalama fo koe ni koe manat meli i kai pe foki ngai pōpaki ki he mo ui o polikale po kefu. Vai tō taha ngā ue mateaki, ngā ue mālohi, mo ui whiawhia i he community. O kike ngata pē i he whamili, i he kolo, kana e autaki a ene mo ui whiawhia, mo ui whie ngā ue whaatokoni ki he ngāhi kautaha kotoa pē na e ngā ue ai. Tātau te whito ki he Society Cross School a atonga, i ene whahoko whaiwhatongi ai i he taulahi. E pehe foki ai ngāhi polo kalama mo ngai po seke ke nai kau ke ai a polo kalepo kefu i he ene ke mao ko ia ai mo ui. O atai pe foki hene whamalo lo ta honga mo oni ki he kautaha ki he mo ui lele e family pe ko Tonga Family Health Association Catherine Murphy pe mo e kau ngawe e nao hanga lele o malawai ke whamafola atu ai polo kalama ko ni i he whiawhing. O whape na mo mao ai e whiawhlele ka pehe fo kai polo kalama lele na i tok whaonga atu ka te tau foki he ki he Vicky Line House ko e kau ngau e ko ia o e whiawhini ko lisia te tohi pehe foki ki a whatale vo tui fua ko tupo lea na pehe foki ki a alipate ki singa Catalina Tohi, ka pehe foki ki a te au, Marianne Kopo, malo apito mo mea mai.